morning. It is September 11th. Today is going to be a very busy day in my life as a veterinary student, and I don't think I'm ready. I'm still very tired. I woke up at 5:30 this morning to get started with the day because I have a lot going on. I have a lot planned, so I figured I'd take you with me and show you what I have for today. As you've seen already, I did put in a load of laundry and I was watching the sunrise for a little bit. This morning, I do have research from 10 to 1. And then after that, I do have 4 hours of lecture, and I believe I have diagnostic imaging, theriogenology, livestock medicine, and small animal surgery. So each one is 50 minutes, and then after class, I get to meet my surgery patient for our second castration. And then I get to do medical notes for the rest of the evening, so I'm actually not post-reviewing stuff from classes today. I feel like with the surgery days, it's just impossible to keep up. I made it back from class. Today went pretty well, but it was very long. The research this morning went pretty good. I just have a couple more samples to get through before I can finally do my abstract for my research presentation. For classes, they went pretty well. We just learned a couple of different diseases, and then today we started the thorax of diagnostic imaging, so we were looking at heart radiographs. After class, I did get to meet our surgical patient for tomorrow. It is going to be our second castration, and I am pretty excited because this dog is another 1-year-old, so it should go pretty smoothly. I'm actually going to be the scrub nurse this time. So I'm handing the assistant surgeon and primary surgeon their surgical tools throughout the procedure. And I'm supposed to be anticipating what they need at what certain times and what type of suture material they'll want. I've been studying for that in between classes today, and then this morning I was also practicing a little bit. I'm feeling hesitantly confident for tomorrow. I'm sure it's going to go great. I honestly have the best surgery team, in my opinion. I know everyone says that, but we just work so well together, and that is extremely important when you are doing surgery for the first time. We did do our medical notes already. It is around 9 o'clock now, so I'm actually going to go ahead, get in the shower, maybe eat a snack, and then go to bed because it is another early morning tomorrow at 5:30 a.m. to get ready to go into surgery from 7 to 1. It's gonna be a very long day tomorrow, so I definitely need some rest if I am planning on going to classes afterwards. I hope you did enjoy today's video, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!